Hi everyone, Kiki here. Let me show you around our gasoline silent inverter generator. This one is tank cap. The tank box into casing. And this one is starting. Handle starting. Here show you the muffler. And we can check around. It's left interior cover. Here you can see stock plug service. Here you can see the spark plug service. Here show you the control panel, and we can see there is a open start. Engine start stop. This machine complete with full oil, control panel, and starting motor. You can see a handle start, oil dipstick, oil drain pipe, starting handle, right interior cover, and the spark plug, carburetor, and air filter, muffler, and the lift exterior cover. You can choose handle start. Also can choose the remote start. It's a remote for you for choice.